takes off, so we know when they're going to wave the green flag. No mistakes, Russ.
80 miles an hour. Got a waypoint, rocks.
What's that?
Keep going, keep going. Right here, rocks.
Can't remember where it's at. Now what do we got?
Straight. Straight.
Season.
Straight. They got a hole coming up, but you got a ways. 70 miles an hour. Here's your hole. Here's your hole. Right. Here's your hole right here.
I got it.
Water 190. Get a roller with a big hole next. Here's your roller in the big hole.
Damn it. So
Right
freaking
here, right now. Got rocks in it.
oh, fuck. Almost hit those fucking spectators.
35 miles an hour.
Can't see shit.
Rocks in middle. Rocks in middle. Right now. There's the rocks in middle. Straight.
Jesus.
50 miles an hour.
We're right on that guy, but we can't see him.
Yeah. Rocks in middle. There's your rocks in middle. Right here.
Alright.
Okay. Rock. Here's your rock.
Can't see nothing.
There's your rock.
No.
Okay, big rock. Big rock right here.
Got
Big
it.
rock.
Missed it. Good call.
55 miles an hour. Straight. 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 Coming up on a rock on left. 65 miles an hour.
We passed
Rocks
rocks.
on left. Rocks on left. Here's your rocks on left.
Got
Right
it.
here. We're a little over 190. Barely over 190. Straight. Straight. Straight.
Thinking about switching lines. Try to pass. What do you think?
One more.
Promise, there's people over there.
Yeah. 70 miles an hour. Straight. 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 Brace. Here's your right too. Straight. Straight. Quarter 190. Straight. Straight. Careful, roller. Coming up on a roller. Keep going. Keep going. Here's your roller. Right now. Two trucks ahead of us.
Get on the horn.
Straight.
Get on the horn.
I'm on.
Get on the horn.
I'm on the horn. The horn's not working. Straight. Straight. 70 miles an hour. 75 miles an
But
hour.
now we can see where we're going at least, huh?
Yeah.
Y'all good, guys?